So this is my first time flying the Cine-min, a 3-inch Cine pusher that I made out of the discus. The discus is a frame I made, and this is Cine version built in a pusher formation. I don't really know how to fly cinematically. This is my intro into it. 3-inch props. The frame is a little long, and it's only 2 millimeters thick, so it's not the strongest. Still kind of prototyping right now, but already it flies way smoother than the Cinelog 25 did. It's not shaking like crazy, and all I gotta do is learn how to fly slow and smoothly. I'm sure if I put gyroflow in, it would be a lot better. Just showing you kind of what's going on. Subscribe and I'll make more videos kind of explaining it once I have a final version. This is going to be the rig that I use my Runcam Pro camera on, and hopefully I won't destroy it because I wreck all my action cams. And this is a digital build with the battery 653S. It weighs, and the Runcam Pro and everything, it only weighs 180 grams. I'm gonna keep making it better. It's probably gonna be lighter. I'm gonna probably cut 15 millimeters off each arm, do a specific frame build for this, but I'm really happy with it, especially for its first time.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!